Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of QuickBooks Online and exploring how to create a credit memo. Whether you are processing returns, issuing refunds, or handling customer credits, understanding this process is crucial for accurate financial transactions and maintaining customer satisfaction. So let's get started. Let us first understand why credit memos matter. By mastering credit memo creation in QuickBooks Online, you ensure proper documentation of returns, accurate adjustment to customer balances, and smooth transaction management. This foundational step sets the stage for efficient customer service and financial accuracy. To begin, let's log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to Sales section. From the main menu, select Sales. Here you will find a range of features and settings related to sales transaction and customer management. Now, let's dive into the process of creating a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. Click on New Transaction and then click on Credit Memo. You will be guided through a series of information fields to enter essential details about the return or credit, such as the customer, item or invoice, quantities, and reasons for the credit. If you want to email this credit memo later, you can check this box. Select the credit memo date from here. If you want to add any tag, you can enter it here. If you want to add any tag, you can enter it here. Now, add products and services. Set the quantity. Then rate. If this product is taxable, you need to check this box. Select the discount percentage or discount value. Now select sales tax rate. You can also add a new rate from here. Creating a credit memo also involves specifying additional details to accurately track and manage the return or credit. QuickBooks Online provides flexibility to handle various types of credits, whether it is for product returns, service adjustment, or discounts. QuickBooks Online also allows you to streamline the credit application process by applying credits directly to open invoices. This ensures accurate adjustment to customer balances and simplifies the overall transaction management. You can also attach digital documents here. If you want this credit memo recurring, you can choose this option. Before finalizing the credit memo, it is crucial to review and verify the entered information for accuracy. QuickBooks Online provides an overview of credit memo details for your confirmation. Take a moment to ensure everything is okay, and if needed, make any necessary edits before saving the credit memo. Once the credit memo is created, QuickBooks Online provides option for issuing refunds or applying credits to future purchases. This step enhances customer satisfaction and maintains positive relationships with your clients. And congratulations, you have now mastered creating credit memos in QuickBooks Online. By accurately processing returns and issuing credits, you ensure proper documentation, maintain customer satisfaction, and streamline your financial transactions. Remember, effective credit memo management is key to a well-rounded customer service approach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching.